Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to set up, and we're going to copy verification code on crypto mail to be able to do our Dr. X multifax address. So now let's go started and let's go and create our account on the crypto mail. Now I've downloaded my crypto mail. If you haven't downloaded your crypto mail, you can go to your Play Store. Get there. If you are using an iPhone, you can go to your app store, get crypto mail, download it and install, and after that you're going to come to the space now. So let me start again for you to understand what I'm trying to do. The first thing you need to do is just click on your address here, which is your email address that you want to use to sign up. And once that, click on sign up, and the next thing is you're going to send a code to your email address. Just go to your email and go and find the code. So I'm going to open my Gmail now. I'll go to my Gmail and I'm going to get the code there, then to be able to paste it on the crypto mail. So I'm going to say, okay, you can say, okay, this is the code here. You see it from iCelab. Yes, they're also the one they're using iCelab. Just click on the code. Once you click on the code, you're going to see the code, and this is the code 652. You can see 652. Oh, okay, yeah, 613. Let's use the 613. So I'm going to go to my crypto mail now and type 86613. Let's see. Okay, you can see it is automatically going to and being signing up now. That's the step you need to do. Welcome to crypto mail. Click on next step. When you see this crypto next step, click on next step and click on next step. And this is it. You're going to write your nickname here. So what you need to do is put your nickname that you wanted to do. So I'm going to click on, you can see, click on next step, was done. And this next step is they ask you to write your invite. Don't worry, just put any name there. Once you put any name there, once it has accepted, just click on complete, because we didn't have any invite. You can say I just put any name there, and this is it. Click on complete, and this is it. We have opened our crypto mail. Also, now the next step, you need to join them on the Telegram. So don't worry, just follow the process. Join the Telegram. So we're going to join the Telegram now. Okay, all right. So if you it's going to go to your Telegram automatically once we are on Telegram. So if you are not on Telegram, they will ask you to download your Telegram. So this is it. Just wait for it. It's going to take you to the channel by themselves. Just click on join once you are here. Once you click on join, you go back. You can see, just click on verify, and this click on close, and this is it. You've automatically join it. Just keep all, and this is it. So we're coming back to copy our profile link. So guys, if you found this video helpful, show us the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.